In this video, you'll learn how to add money to your eBay account. By following these steps, you will be able to deposit funds quickly and efficiently, ensuring you have enough balance for your purchases and transactions. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage where you will find the account icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and select account settings or payments from the options provided. This will direct you to a new screen where you can manage your payment methods and account balance. Once you're in the account settings or payments section, look for an option labeled Add Funds or something similar. This option is typically found within the payment management area. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose your funding source. You can select either a bank account or a credit or debit card. It is important to ensure that the selected account or card has sufficient balance to cover the deposit you wish to make. After selecting your funding source, you will be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to add to your eBay account. Enter this amount carefully, as it is crucial to ensure you are depositing the correct figure. Following this, confirm the transaction by clicking on the appropriate button, which may say confirm or submit. Double check all the details, including the payment method and the amount, to prevent any errors or delays in the transaction process. Once you have confirmed the transaction, it is advisable to monitor your bank account or card statement to verify that the transfer has been successfully processed. This confirmation step is essential as it helps prevent any potential issues with your eBay balance. Ensuring accuracy at this stage can save you time and avoid complications later on. Finally, check your eBay balance to ensure that the added funds are reflected correctly. You can do this by returning to the payments section of your account settings. Keeping a record of your deposit is also beneficial for your personal accounting. The funds you add can be used for future purchases, bidding on items, or paying seller fees. Regularly updating your balance will help ensure smooth transactions and enhance your overall buying experience on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.